Nissan has officially unveiled the Kait crossover in Brazil, where production is already underway. Aimed at Latin American markets, the Kait is based on the previous generation Nissan Kicks V platform and will replace the current Kicks Play. It will be sold alongside the new CMF-B-based Kicks, also produced locally. The Kait features a clean front design with split headlights and full LED daytime running lights forming a continuous line across the nose. Sharp hood creases, a bold air intake, and a strong stance reinforce its SUV character. At the rear, LED taillights extend onto the tailgate and are linked by a piano black bar, with the model name centered below the rear window. Its tailgate design pays tribute to the classic Nissan Patrol, echoing the brand's SUV heritage. The side profile includes unique C-pillar graphics, embossed sill details, and black lower cladding. All versions ride on 17-inch wheels with higher trims receive sportier blade designs. Interior space is one of the highlights of the new Nissan Kait. Measuring 4.30 meters in length with a 2.62 meters wheelbase and a 432-liter trunk, the newest SUV from the Japanese brand positions itself as one of the most competitive options in its segment. This spacious interior boasts a modern design enhanced by a 7-inch digital instrument panel that is 100% customizable. Depending on the version, a different type of upholstery material is used. In the top-of-the-line exclusive version, the seats have a premium two-tone finish and contrasting stitching. The Nissan Kait's connectivity is highlighted by its 9-inch multimedia system. With wireless connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, Under the hood, the new Nissan Kait is equipped with a powertrain that has been tested and proven by customers. The efficient combination of the 1.616V engine with the Xtronic CVT transmission. This engine develops 113 horsepower at 5,600 revolutions per minute and 15.2 kilograms force-meters of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute when running on ethanol. When fueled with gasoline, it produces 110 horsepower at 5,600 revolutions per minute and 14.9 kilograms force-meters of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute.